Hello everyone, I am Saksham Sharma, founder of Careerkunj and former HR and recruiter of TCS. Friends, a good news for the freshers that Genpact is hiring for is looking for freshers. They are looking for two roles: management trainee and process associate. Let's go into the detail what they are looking for. Starting with management trainee. So basically, they are looking for management trainee who are freshers who have who have qualifications of BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, or any graduation equivalent, and they are preferring people with Python development experience. Okay, so and they should have a knowledge about at least one of the Python framework, be it Django, Flask, or Pyramid, and then other qualities of team working. So many students who have made any projects into Python and have a good idea about Python, I think can apply, and you have good chances of selection here. Just for information, Genpact is one of the top companies when it comes to IT world, and this location is particularly based out of Noida. It's a full-time position, and then it's for fresher because they are looking for people with highest qualification as graduation or equivalent. So do apply, and I think this can also give you a good start to your career. Second position that Genpact is looking for is the process associate. So this is a kind of a customer care in which you have to support the different requirements, and you need to have good communication skills and, like, minimum qualification, any graduation in any discipline, and freshers are eligible. And then if you have any previous experience in customer service role like chat, email, voice, you will get an advantage over here. And then any graduation degree is eligible for this. Okay, and if you have prior experience into any BPO, BPS, that would be an added advantage. So good opportunity for freshers again. And last date of application is 10 September. This particular job role is based out of Jaipur, and it is an operations kind of a role. So as a fresher, you should if you start your career with big companies like Genpact, it gives you advantage later in your career. So do apply for it, and do follow our channel, because we are basically updating students with hiring opportunities, and we firstly verify all the opportunities and then see which ones are good. We are not just posting every other requirement. We do filter it from our end, so that you get a good opportunity from us where you can have a good career. And we also provide tips and strategies on our channel to how to crack placements and other interview tips. So do follow us and share with your friends as well. All right, thank you so much.